Okay, in this video, we are going to look at preservation, conservation, and restoration of ecosystem, yaitu pemuliharaan dan juga pemulihan ekosistem. We have studied how human activities can have negative impacts towards the environment. Nevertheless, these human activities do not always affect the environment. In managing development, preventive measures should be taken towards preservation, conservation, and restoration of the ecosystem to ensure sustainable development. Okay, what is the meaning of these three terms right here? Okay, let's look into it. Okay, first, we have to know why is it needed to preserve, to conserve, and to restore an ecosystem. Okay, ecosystem preservation. Preservation of an ecosystem can be defined as the efforts made to protect the components of the ecosystem so that it will remain in natural conditions. Okay, so this is preservation, yaitu pemeliharaan. Efforts made to protect the components of the environment that it will remain in its natural condition. One of the ways towards preserving an ecosystem is by gazetting forests as reserve areas to protect the natural beauty of flora and fauna. Okay, reserve forests ataupun hutan simpan, they are protected from any development activities. Okay, jadi hutan-hutan simpan ini adalah tidak dikacau dan mereka adalah khas untuk tujuan pemeliharaan ini. Okay, so 90% in the upper part of the Belum forest. Okay, this is the picture showing the Belum forest, Belum Reserve Forest yang berada di Perak. So 90% in the upper part of the place is still unexplored. Mereka ni belum lagi dieksplorasi, belum dikacau, and has yet to become research sites. Okay, ecosystem conservation ataupun pemuliharaan. Conservation of an ecosystem means the efforts to restore environmental resources such as water, forest, energy, air, minerals, among others, so they will continue to exist. Okay, maksudnya dia cuba untuk this one to restore the resources. So conservation strategies are carried out in order to save the components of an endangered ecosystem. So there are two strategies right here, which are in situ and also ex situ conservation. Kalau in situ conservation, it means retaining the wildlife species in their original habitat, such as the natural parks and also the marine parks. Okay, ini contoh yang perlu anda tahu. Okay, if it is ex situ conservation, okay, that means keeps the wildlife species outside of their original habitats, okay, like in the zoos or the botanical parks. Okay, ini adalah conservation. Okay, how about restoration? Restoration of an ecosystem means the efforts for renewing and also restoring natural ecosystem that have deteriorated. Boleh nampak beza, that have damaged or destroyed due to human activities. Jadi pemulihan ini seolah-olah rawatan lah. Okay, because the natural ecosystem ini ada yang telah terjejas. So restoration and planting of cover crops, these are among the steps of restoration, reforestation, dan juga planting. These are among the steps of restoration being taken to ensure the continuity of natural resources for future generation.